So I was looking for a paper towel holder that I could mount underneath my cabinet and have it be a one tear instead of using this one that is a little bit harder to tear. So I'm going to open this up. We're going to see what's inside and actually set it up and see how it works. So it looks like we have the mounting bracket and then the edge and then the other edge, and it does come with screws and drywall things. And it also came with instructions, which I just opened, and there is adhesive. So I'm actually going to just stick this to the bracket and then stick it to the bottom of my cupboard. So I'm going to put the screws in each side, make sure it's tight, make sure I left the flat side out, and after that I'm going to take off the sticker and then put the clean it and then put that sticky part on, and then we'll take the other part off and stick it to the bottom of my cupboard. Worked great. So now that it is in place, let's test it out. And actually Simpletome sent this in exchange for an honest review. So let's just grab the paper towel, one hand, and it rips really easily. So that is awesome, and it's a clean look. Easy to put together. I didn't even have to drill into my cabinet, which is awesome. So I would definitely recommend.